Hi, we are currently in MSC Magnifica. We are in cabin number 8131. So 8131 is a ocean view. This is a obstructed view. So we do see the lifeboat right behind us. But first impressions of this room, it is pretty big actually. You've got two of the overhead beds in case you have more than just two people in your stateroom with you. We've got a nice green and blue runner. We've already got our pool towels. Our daily program is right here. There is Captain and Sailor. It's actually a pretty big room. So there's two end tables. You've got your phone there, the end table with 3 drawers on this side also. It is actually pretty bright and roomy in here. Here is the little vanity. You've got your glasses, a TV here. There is tissue in the drawer. There is your hair dryer. And there's actually mirrors everywhere. And look what we got. We got some chocolate covered strawberries right here. That was a nice little treat when we walked in. So the mini bar is currently locked. They actually will open that after 5 p.m. I believe, once we start sailing. There is a pretty large safe in here with a bunch of drawers. I believe there's like 6 drawers for all your stuff. Your life vest. More storage spaces here. And the hanging closet for all of your dresses and gowns. And it's actually pretty big. The ship layout is right behind the door. So we are right here, and it shows us exactly where our muster drill is going to be, which is directly underneath us. So right by the door is the little key card. So once you come in, you got to put your key card in order to activate all of the lights. There is the heating and cooling, so you can adjust the temperatures however you want it, hot or cold, they're right there. So let's go into the bathroom. This bathroom is nice. There are shelves right there. You can put all of your belongings there. You can put all your stuff in there. Also, I believe the little trash can is right in there. Here's the shower. So they have shower curtains instead of the glass door with shampoo and body wash right here. So Dustin is just hanging out, checking out what we've got going on today. But all in all, this is a great room. It's a great option. We've always sailed on the balcony, but we decided to do something new this time and went for an interior room with an ocean view, which I'm glad we did. It is an obstructed view, which is okay. I believe there are some that does have the ocean view, but all in all, I actually really like this room. All right, guys, if you have any questions down below, then definitely subscribe and like to our channel. We are going to be bringing you content all the time. So if there's something you want to see or if you have questions about anything, definitely put it in the comments and we will try to answer your questions. All right, bye bye.